going on? It's your boy Kartoon here with another cartoon review where we review anything that a consumer could buy. Today I'm going to give you the top 5 TV for your Xbox One X. Today I'm going to be giving you my top 5 TVs for your Xbox One X. All these TVs, I'm going to try to do it from the most expensive to the least expensive. All these TVs are the best for your Xbox One. I'm going to start off with the LG OLED 55 BAPUA is a 55 inch. I don't know why they give these long model coded. I don't know why they don't simplify, but this is a 55 inch OLED. It's pretty nice. It has good viewing views. If you're at an angle, you can still see it. It's pretty nice. It's actually extremely thin, and for the price of $1,500, $1,600, it's not bad at all. It also has HDR10. It has the Adobe, the Atmos speakers. It's 40 watt. You might want to get a soundbar on it, which is not bad. It's really not bad. So we're just gonna go jump into the next one. Next one we have is the Sony. I like this TV, so I looked into it. I'm thinking about getting it when I have the chance. It's the Sony. I call it the X900F to be shorter. It's a 55 inch. They have different sizes, like you can see. They have the 49, the 55, 55, 65, 75, and 85. 85 is too big, in my opinion, depending the space of your room and this, that, and the third. So it's a good TV. I've seen it. It has a good processor. It's pretty cool. Most of these TV come with Android. I don't think this one does, but I'm gonna leave a link. All the TVs that you see here, I'm gonna have a link below. I'm gonna have a NVIDIA Shield, which is perfect if you want to have an Android TV. I don't really mess with the Apple TV because there's really nothing you can really do. So I try to stay away from it. And from where we know, they're gonna start adding Apple apps on these smart TVs. All of them that I'm showing you, they're gonna be having them pretty soon, around September, October. So, but I still go for an NVIDIA Shield. It's for TV. Trying to get like Netflix, YouTube, everything else is pretty handy. It has a good processor compared to the ones that the TV has, so it's pretty dope. This one also have full array, HDR10, a couple cool things that they have. So you could it has also Adobe Vision, Adobe Atmos, also speakers. If I'm not mistaken, it's 20 watts. I'm not sure, but it's a pretty cool TV for $1,200, and you're getting a 55 inch, which I think is a pretty cool, good spot. So we're gonna jump into the next one. Got here the Samsung Q60. I know it's long, but it's a Q60 55. This is 2019, so it's brand spanking new. If y'all not aware about the N60, I think it's the N60 before this one, or the Q6. What was it? The Q6. The Q6, they just added a 0. The Q6, it was an amazing TV. A lot of people bought it. A lot of people had good review. Even though they have the before, well, probably now also, they have the Q70, the Q80, and the Q90. The Q90 is the top of the range. But the Q6 is a nice starting. It's good for the amount of tech that it has to for the price. So it's pretty cool. It looks nice. It's pretty thin. Not as thin as the LG, but the LG is $500 more, so it is what it is. Like, it has HDR10, Atmos Vision, Atmos surround sound, has 40, I think it's 40 or 20 or 40 speakers, which all these TV, my recommendation, get a sound bar for it, is gonna be a better experience for you. So we're gonna jump to the next one. So right now we have the Samsung NU7300 or 7300. There you go, 7300. It's a 55 inch curved TV. If you're into curved TV, there you go. And it's $600, which is not bad. Yeah, it's a 2018, but it is what it is. It's pretty cool. It has a good processor. You could calibrate it nice. HDR, all of that good stuff. They have HDR10 if I'm not mistaken, on this one. And all these TV are 120 hertz refresh rate, so it's pretty cool. So it's not that bad. All right, so this is the budget killer TV, man. This one, and I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna add one more because I just thought about it right now, which you have to mention it. But this is a good TV, man. For the price, 600. Oh, 530. Wow. It's a 55 inch. They have different sizes also, 65 and 75. It comes with Roku TV. Wow, I don't know why. And it has a pretty decent control. It's pretty thin for the price. Legs look beautiful, very stylish. It's a real nice TV, man. A real nice TV. All right, this is the last one. I just added it right now. This has to be one of the top budget. It could probably be. You could probably make it your main TV in your house. What you could spend on an LG, you will get 3 of these bad boys, man. This is a real beautiful TV. It's a Hisense, whatever it's pronounced, 55 H8F, which is beautiful. I've seen a lot of people reviewing it and giving a lot of praises. It's nice and thin. It has HDR10. It has Adobe Vision. Man, and it comes with an Android TV, man. Android TV on a TV that works properly. I've seen reviews on it. Is beautiful, man. You really can't complain, especially being a 55 for 500 bucks. 500 bucks. Can't beat that. And let's say you want to boost up and get a 65 inch, which I will probably do. 700 bucks, you can't beat that, man. You cannot beat it, man. It's beautiful, 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 man. Oh my God. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you could make it a little bit easier for you to trying to purchase TV for your system. And leave a comment below and let me know what other TVs you want me to review or look at, to let other people know that this is a great deal. It's a great TV. It's your boy Kartoon. Peace.